Hey folks, it's Bergen here, taking you on an insider tour of the beautiful Jasper National Park. Today, I'd like to show you the newest, most exciting way to experience the most beautiful place on Earth. Folks, welcome the Jammer. 500 of these vehicles were built for the National Park Service by the White Motor Company between 1936 and 1939 for use in the United States National Parks. Most of these original buses retired in 1959, but this one has been lovingly restored and is ready to hit the open road here in the Canadian Rockies. The canvas top rolls all the way back and tucks into a compartment on the back of the roof, turning this bus into a 20-passenger convertible, which is perfect for our Rocky Mountain views. Did I mention that we're going to go topless? Oh, keep your shirts on. What I mean is that we are going to roll back the canopy. The top's coming off for your very special occasions. For the best scenic, the best wildlife and night sky tours you will ever see in Jasper National Park. And guess who just might be driving? Maybe we can bring the guitar along. We can sit here in this beautiful Jammer bus, have a campfire song or two, and howl at the moon. Can you hear the mountains calling, folks? I can. Stay safe, be well, and I'll see you in the mountains. This land was made